If you're trying to watch different films on Netflix, or you've gone traveling like I have to Bali right now, and you cannot watch your favorite TV show, guys, I found the VPN that is most perfect for this. It is NordVPN, and right now there is an absolute insane deal that I can give to you with my link down below, guys. You're gonna get an extra month than you would if you went straight to the website. So let me show you exactly what I mean and how you can change the film, change the TV show on Netflix with NordVPN. All right, guys, you can see NordVPN on my left-hand side. I wanna give you a full demonstration of this. When you hit that link down below, you're gonna set this up, okay? Very, very easy. Now, I'm actually in Indonesia, so the website that I'm using Netflix here is the Indonesian version, all right? So what I'm gonna do is just show you on, let's pick a show, for example, okay? Always Sunny is something that I love to watch. Always Sunny in Philadelphia. All right, we click this here. You can see we do not have Always Sunny in Philadelphia, but you might like this. Okay, no problem. So I'm from the UK. Let's connect to the United Kingdom. Okay, very, very fast. Already connected, guys, in less than 3 seconds. Now, let's just refresh Netflix and see if it works. I look for Always Sunny in Philadelphia, and there it is, guys. So it's Always Sunny in Philadelphia is there. So this just shows you that with Netflix changing with the NordVPN, I can now watch shows from any country I want. For example, let's now go, the next one there is United Arab Emirates. We're gonna connect to that, we've connected to Dubai. Let's see if Always Sunny in Philadelphia is there again. Okay, we're gonna refresh our Netflix. And you can see with Dubai, it says we do not have It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. So guys, this is how incredible NordVPN can be. Now, I wanna direct you here. If you hit my link down below, guys, you're gonna get an amazing deal. But if you don't, and you go straight to the NordVPN, it's gonna say this, get 70% off NordVPN with 3 extra months. Do not take that deal. Do not take that deal. If you take my deal, you can see on the right-hand side my deal with 4 extra months instead of 3 extra months. And not only that, I can get you more than 70% off. So I'm gonna click get the deal for both to show you. If you don't click my link, guys, you're gonna pay $4.33 per month, and that is $121 for the first 2 years. If you click my link and you're clever, you're gonna go here and only pay $3.37 and $94. You're gonna save yourself literally nearly $40 for that year, right? Absolutely incredible. Hit my link down below, click buy now, guys, get NordVPN and watch any show on Netflix that you would like. If you need to find the countries, guys, you can find it on Google. Just type in what show is this country in. For example, what show is Always Sunny in Philadelphia in. It'll tell you United Kingdom and a few others. You just click on that NordVPN, and I've just unlocked the greatest TV experience for you. Enjoy. Hit the link down below. Hit the like button. Hit subscribe to the bell button. Notified. NordVPN deal won't be lasting forever, so get it right now.